Daddy Dose 2 reviews here. We're gonna try out the new Harbor Freight brushless grinder, and we're gonna see how it does compared to the older model, the brushed, which was a second generation. And some of the safety things I'm gonna use for this little project we're gonna do right now. Eye protection, hand protection, and some of the things I like about the new one compared to the old one. And this is the one thing I do like about the new one. It can stand. It cannot stand. Too much of an angle on there. So the other thing this does have is you can take this off. It's easily adjustable. But for this case, we're not going to use it. Just take this off. There we go. I'm going to be using 120 grit. Just in case you guys didn't hear because of the background noise, I'll be using 120 grit on both. This is the Harbor Freight Warrior sanding pads. We're going to be taking rust off of an old smoker. Okay, so let me adjust the camera so you guys can see the smoker and where I'm going to be using it to sand off some of that rust. Okay, I'm using this blue tip here to divide so that you guys can see where we're going to be working on. We'll use the brushed on this side and the brushes on this side. So let's get this thing started. First the brushed. Now let's do the brushless. Alright, let's see. Let's wipe this off and see what's going on here. Of course, it still needs some work on it. But my initial reaction to these two tools here, it does feel a lot more powerful. Right off the bat, I can feel more power on the brushless than I do on the second model. But it is brushed again. It still did the work that it needed to do, and so did the new one. But a lot more power in this new Bauer brushless grinder. So, from me, if you're gonna go in there and buy, neither one is expensive. $40, $60. I'd go with the new brushes, especially if you're already in the battery line. So, that being said, I will probably make a further video on this smoker, me repainting it, you know, trying to keep it nice and taking all this rust off using these tools. So thank you very much for watching. I just want to say subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and this is Daily Dose signing out.